Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of science with some mind-blowing facts that will leave you amazed. From the speed of light to the bizarre biology of octopuses, we're about to embark on a cosmic journey filled with wonder and awe. Let's get started. Have you ever wondered about the speed of light? It's about 299,792 kilometers per second. That's fast enough to circle the Earth over 7 times in a single second. This speed isn't just a random number. It's a fundamental constant in physics, woven into the very fabric of space-time. It dictates how energy travels, how we perceive time, and even how the universe itself expands. Think about looking at the stars. Some are so far away that their light takes years, centuries, even millennia to reach us. When you look up at the night sky, you're not just seeing stars, you're looking back in time, witnessing light that embarked on its journey when dinosaurs still roamed the Earth. The speed of light is a powerful reminder of the universe's immensity and the profound mysteries it holds. Let's talk about bees, those buzzing wonders of the natural world. Did you know that a single teaspoon of honey represents the entire life's work of 12 bees? That's right, 12 bees dedicate their lives to producing just that tiny amount of golden sweetness. Bees fly from flower to flower, collecting nectar and pollen. Back at the hive, they deposit the nectar into honeycombs, where worker bees fan it with their wings, evaporating the water content and thickening it into honey. As pollinators, they're responsible for fertilizing a vast array of plants, including many of the fruits, vegetables, and nuts we rely on for food. So the next time you enjoy a spoonful of honey, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it took from flower to hive to your table. The universe is vast, unimaginably vast. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the Earth's beaches combined. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is just one of billions upon billions of galaxies in the observable universe. Each of these galaxies contains hundreds of billions, even trillions of stars, each with its own unique story, its own planets, perhaps even its own forms of life. It begs the question, are we alone in this vast universe? The possibility of extraterrestrial life becomes much more tantalizing when we consider the sheer number of potential homes for life out there. Water, the elixir of life, is full of surprises. Did you know that water can boil and freeze at the same time? It's a phenomenon known as the triple point. This doesn't happen under normal conditions. It requires a very specific pressure and temperature, 6.11 millibars and 0.01 degrees Celsius. At this precise point, water exists in all 3 states of matter simultaneously: solid, liquid, and gas. The triple point of water is a fascinating example of how the states of matter can coexist in equilibrium. It's also a crucial reference point in thermodynamics, used to define the Kelvin temperature scale. Let's venture into the world of botany for a moment. Did you know that bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't? It seems counterintuitive, but it all comes down to botanical definitions. A berry is a fruit that develops from a single ovary in a flower. Bananas fit this definition perfectly. Strawberries, on the other hand, are what's known as aggregate fruits, meaning they develop from multiple ovaries of a single flower. So, while we may call them strawberries based on their appearance and taste, they're not true berries in the botanical sense. And bananas, those elongated curved fruits, are indeed berries, much to the surprise of many. Hold on to your hats, folks, because this next fact might just make you rethink your place in the tree of life. Humans share 60% of their DNA with bananas. Yes, you read that right, bananas. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the blueprint of life, containing the genetic instructions for all living organisms. While humans and bananas may seem vastly different, we share a common ancestor far back in evolutionary history. Over millions of years, our lineages diverged, but we still retain a surprising amount of genetic similarity. This shared DNA reflects the fundamental building blocks of life that connect all living things on Earth, from the smallest bacterium to the largest whale. Venus, our closest planetary neighbor, is a world of extremes. Its surface is hot enough to melt lead, its atmosphere is thick with sulfuric acid, and its day is longer than its year. Venus rotates incredibly slowly on its axis, taking about 243 Earth days to complete one rotation. However, its orbit around the Sun is much faster, taking only 225 Earth days. This means that a day on Venus, the time it takes for the sun to return to the same position in the sky, is longer than a Venusian year. It's a bizarre quirk of celestial mechanics that makes Venus truly unique. Octopuses, those intelligent denizens of the deep, are full of surprises. For starters, they have 3 hearts and blue blood. 2 of their hearts pump blood through their gills, where it picks up oxygen, while the 3rd heart circulates oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. As for their blue blood, that's due to the presence of hemocyanin, a copper-containing protein that binds to oxygen. Hemocyanin is more efficient than hemoglobin, the iron-containing protein found in our blood, at transporting oxygen in cold, low-oxygen environments. So the next time you see an octopus, remember that you're looking at a creature with a remarkable evolutionary history, one that has equipped it with some truly extraordinary adaptations. The Eiffel Tower, that iconic symbol of Paris, is a marvel of engineering. But did you know that it can actually grow taller during the summer? It's all thanks to thermal expansion. When materials are heated, their molecules move faster and spread out, causing the material to expand. During the summer months, the steel structure of the Eiffel Tower can heat up significantly, causing it to expand by as much as 15 centimeters. While this may not seem like much for a structure that's over 300 meters tall, it's a testament to the power of thermal expansion. Lightning, that electrifying display of nature's fury, is a force to be reckoned with. A single bolt of lightning can contain enough energy to toast 100,000 slices of bread. Lightning occurs when electrical potential builds up between storm clouds or between storm clouds and the ground. This potential difference can be millions or even billions of volts, and when it's discharged, it creates a massive surge of current. Lightning is a powerful reminder of the immense forces at play in our atmosphere. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these amazing science facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating content. Until next time, keep asking questions, keep exploring, and never stop learning. See you next time.